Hello everyone, welcome to Code Corp. So welcome to another video. So today we are starting a new Spring Boot series. So in this series, we will learn Spring Boot APIs from scratch. So yeah, you have heard it right. We'll be starting from scratch. We'll be installing Java first, and then we'll be installing IDE. And if it is not installed in your computer, so please install it first, and then we can start a 5 video course. So let me tell you about the course. So the course will be having 5 videos. So and in the next slide I have mentioned like what are the 5 videos that are gonna be. So the first video is gonna be about like introduction to Spring Boot and setting up your project. Okay, so in the first video I'll be telling you like what is Spring Boot and how it works, what's the significance of using a Spring Boot, and how it's better and how it enhances your projects. Okay, so and I'll be also telling you like how to set it up in your system in the first video. And in the part two of the series, I'll be telling you about like building your first RESTful web services, or you can say RESTful API. So in the second video, we'll dive into the creating of simplest RESTful API. You will be learn to create a REST controller, handle GET requests, and return JSON responses. By the end of this video, you will be having a functional API ready to serve data. Okay. In the third video, we'll be connecting to the database. So in this particular series, we'll be using MySQL database. You can use any of your any of the database that you have already used. You can use, but remember you have to use a SQL database for that. Okay, in this video, we'll connect our API to the database using Spring Data GPA. You'll learn how to set up a database connection, create entities and repositories, and perform basic CRUD operations, simples like create, read, update, and delete. That we'll be taking that forward to part 4 video of that. So in the fourth video, basically, we'll be learning like building on what we have learned. We'll create a comprehensive CRUD applications. We'll be creating 4 endpoints. One will be create, and second will be read, update, and delete. So like this, we'll be creating 4 of the endpoints. Okay, and you'll be learning by the end of the fourth video. You'll be learning like how to handle the HTTP post, put, delete requests, and making your API versatile and fully functional. And at the last of this course, I'll be giving you insight of Spring security, like how to secure your web application, what are the things that you have to take care of in your mind, and authorization, ensuring your API is protected from unauthorized access. We'll be implementing basic security configurations and test over secured endpoints. Okay, and by the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation on Spring Boot and be capable of building, connecting, and securing your own APIs. Will provide code snippet and a practical example and real world scenarios, and to make your learning experience engaging and hands-on. And we'll be also committing all of these courses and the whole project to the GitHub. So I'll be pasting the link also. We'll be providing you that. And if you want to make any contribution, you can do that as well on my GitHub link. So that's it for the intro. We'll be looking toward the first part of the video. In the next video, we'll be giving an introduction to Spring Boot, and we'll be setting up your project on your system. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you like this intro, then probably you can give a thumbs up. And if you want to follow up, then you can comment like we are following up these tutorials. Then just comment it. And if you have any doubt like what are we gonna cover, and if you have any suggestions like we can include those as well in this particular series, just comment those. Okay, thank you for the video. Thanks.